say, and in Cranshan Sama, what dear Abraya, dear do sonny a bedroom cassia and some the Obetia will mubini, why I can de to about time money man, nay, more front of Quaquatro on BC, you know, sir. Mobile phones, so the near me beer, a be had one, so her demo, the or her so better who are free more. Yet do I know a be brown off a call, Australia share communication, so and they said data, a year telecell, MTN, and I tell Tigo, Yate to Sono. I don't know, send me no pay obete. Adom TV, Badwam Cassia, share live or Facebook / Adom TV, Extra Go TV at 119, DSTV at 280, Oko YouTube, search Adom TV Tube, adomonline.com. And some way in Bibrio ho. Midi de fear among qua Tamaklu. A fear ni demiente said and 70 more ankasa etie. Why a company for na e kasei ene Yameya Duma BC Sohrano e shasia wo mayin tria hudoni nyinemu. The no more no public relation officer e de futu okokobo. Ene ma about time no so be sedi de mu a mobile phone so no ne ade na e wo ma ho no de nei e de kosi da wo be wie Sohrano de won hwe so obegye everyone semo.
Omwadie yetimi aboa ehun ye pa eye examination logistics answer booklets objective answer cards pencils ne nyoma nkola de behia wo omo examination center so nyina ye de akoma omo afenso eye question papers ye de emankola na omo answer nyina no yetumi ayi nyina ho adwuma na personnel nso a omo eko miamia kohwe examination no so no omo nyina nso etumi akwakoduru bi a ewo se wo muduru ntimetimi aka se ahomoade yetumi aboa ye ho a nyame adoma 11th June 2025 bit me ashe BEC na se medical ene awofo akasa awofo me pesa me ka se ebia obi ewa akola bia ofa drobi na ebia virtually every hour and as some time in the day was so ofa drone na omo modern say akola na ekwa or the drone be corner wetumi afa se awofo na nkasa ntimi nkwa omitumi di eja a chechrefo na ehwe nkola no so se be ya emre no so a akola ntumi afa na drone the tosu mi no se wo ye parent na se wato mobile phone ama oba me paucho at this time no seize phone fi oba no ho ma temptation mia ma se or the beko examination center na or the akoje emwabi afi obia ho afensu yentu ye manefo se wo moko no obia nkoye independent work mobia nka se ofa kaprebra fa sempo abra na me ma wapo omoboa apo bia ni
also for our communication so yes Nete George and they work assigning some yefu ne se ene data ye togu ye phone so say ye telecell say ye Airtel Tigo and MTN no on what it is so
Airtel Tigo Ghana 80 Ghana a 10% increase in all data bundles currently offered by the network. Additionally, the 400 Ghana CD bundle, which currently offers 195 gigabytes of data, will now offer 236 gigabytes of data. Ghana Telecommunications Company Limited, Telecell. Also a 10% increase in all data bundles currently offered by the network. Their 400 Ghana CD bundle, which currently offers 90 gigabytes, will offer 250 gigabytes from 1st of July. Scancom Ghana Limited, MTN. A 15% increase in all data bundles currently offered by the network. And I'm pleased to announce the restoration of the 399 Ghana CD bundle, which currently has been changed to the 350 CD bundle that offers 92.88 gig, will henceforth be reinstated to 214 gig for 399 Ghana CDs.
Yet was so ne kokuma wamra shebe fimu na ene national Ghana National Registered Midwife Association Edim Komwe. Ose aban ne suban no wo strike no de nyame anim ne nkoyi nanso obesre wo mani de mu anfo ani nto oman wona won hudodo won dan kaja kasa kire no nkoso no nhye wonyuma se.
We in minority don't believe that the nurses are at any fault. It is their right. They are seeking their right. I would want to know any of you who think this just is not justified in Appendix A of their CBA. Is it the issue of rural incentive allowance that was agreed? That is meant for nurses and midwives in the rural areas so that we can have nurses and midwives in the rural area. Which of them would you say is not legitimate? Is it the issue of fuel allowances, which has been historical since 60s for these people? Is it the issue of uniform allowance, which has been there since the 1960s? It couldn't have been changed in any republic, and it cannot be changed under a previous government. It cannot be changed now. We are here to plead with the nurses to understand that even if governments see the need to engage them, they should go with the good faith with Ghanaians at heart. Because getting all the money without the lives that we have lost brings no joy to anyone.
Yentoaso na wasankomo we mu no Fair Wages and Salaries Commission penifo estre wo mo sankebeya strike ne de won mu enyai ebrankomodie ekosi.
Private sector na dem nhihye yisi ya nka union na nkasempo wo private sector no ba one employer ho abakacha employer do employer ye court na mu wekesi ni nti ye besre na yen shift yen for implementation date no na yen tumi yen implement ona na ye hwehwe obian 10 nurses minimum na ye dwuma pa ne won mpemfo ni anim de wo yon ko form do won ne ye no ye dwuma so nti yentum yen sheda yen keda ye ha won ehwem so critically obelusi bibia not necessarily because ehwa say 2024 numpo na abantum implementing pa anka at that time na inflation na 52% na CD devaluation na de nka obetum wa say once kanini but this year no with the inflation situation improved na CD so appreciating if we start the implementation at least obo won ankasa so kakra and we are looking at a holistic situation ye pede ye bo ma no na ye bo nurses na so nti ye kede ye hweko one side ye can implement na say ye be create a hole in the budget ye create another crisis wo budget ma no aba bibi ho ye nkade ye implement yes one may shift implementation na yentum yen start implementation from in that case who nia wonenwa baje obenya won condition survey na abana so obenya that fiscal space
yankwa santemantemo na Komfanoche teaching hospital na ye boy ray abeto dwa se HR ne office ye human resource manager ne office ne de nipa bia kwa lock na yenim botaye no entia na mobunchemu a yenya ye free mu eni
say a na Captain Jabari, I am a boss, original security coordinator. A friend say asemo awati ni say nkrophobia be lock HR office no. So membra na membehwe. Me bedru yen so ampa na ye de chain ne padlock mienu atum. So na e wo se me call Komfanoche police unit na e wo ha no. Enu omukodi nkomo en na ye invite security guys are no more around. Nti wo nso kan de see kire say some guys been a buy in the name of national security. But from me and my boss, Captain Jabari, no, yen sanction obia, yen suma obia se ombe bibisa. So we are not aware of anything. Enye yen suna yasuma obia se ombe sadin.
Asemia isi ye ewo human resource unit ewo Komfanoche kan ho bi ema emu adwumayefo na wo nyina ewreho isa bonyonya ewo adwuma no monten so eno na Adom kase ene deputy regional security coordinator nkomobom wode to so se
sisi ya ba be to se any poster ye be hu ye ensema e was directed to HR no afei na ye ni police e be din sawoso na ye wura mu ya do asem suko ehu se e internal and I say if we baby na eba eno no minim say ye ni police fo nyina ye djuma na edru sa anso a I think there was a ye de to manim no ye be ma
no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na be ma kwan na ye de asi ye da semre ne adaje a wo de ma ye wada wo ma twen ye na ye mfa da bon krata no ene online de no to so ye kwa basisia